Okay, so I'm going to talk about the differences between sex therapy and regular psychotherapy because we find that most consumers and even a lot of professionals don't understand the difference. Your regular psychotherapist might not know enough to actually refer you to a specialist. So that's what we are. We're specialists. Like addiction specialists are specialists, like some marriage counselors are specialists. And let me tell you a little bit of what goes into our training. To be a sex therapist, you first, bottom line, have to be licensed and certified in your profession. You have to be experienced. You have to have a lot of couples, relationship counseling background. In fact, some of our therapists have special certifications just in different types of couples relationship counseling. And then you take an intensive training course that teaches you there are specific behavioral protocols. They're not all behavioral, but there's specific protocols for different sexual dysfunctions, for erectile dysfunction, for desire disorders, so on and so forth. And those are specific techniques. And the second thing is we have to know a lot about sexual medicine, because these days many sexual dysfunctions have some kind of medical condition associated. So again, erectile dysfunction, male and female sexual pain disorder, we have to know the medical side of that. We have to be able to not diagnose, but at least suspect enough to know who to refer to the appropriate medical doctor. And we have to be able to coordinate care with medical doctors, physical therapists, and so on and so forth. The other thing that's different between us and a psychotherapist, especially a marriage counselor, for example, is regular psychotherapists have been trained to believe that sexual problems in a relationship stem directly from other relationship problems. And so you can be in therapy forever with them without ever talking about sex. We actually have the opposite point of view. We deal with the sexual dysfunction. If there's a disruption to the relationship, we know it's as likely to have been caused by the sexual problem as to actually be the cause. So let's put it this way, when couples get their sexual problems dealt with and resolved, they're feeling a whole lot better towards each other, and other issues seem easier to work out. So I hope that helps you make a decision about